We'll guide you through how to fix Bluetooth headphones connected, but there being no sound. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem is annoying as you then can't go and use them. We've got some different fixes you can try, so let's get started. First of all, do just make sure you've adjusted your volume. When you do this, you can press the three dots at the top here, and you can actually go and adjust the media volume. See if that solves it. If it doesn't, swipe up and head to your settings. We can come to our connections, and then we can come to Bluetooth. Just make sure you are definitely properly connected here. We can say I am. Press the gear or cog icon to the right. Make sure audio is switched on, and you can tap audio device type, and you can then go and select headphones. If you adjust anything there, see if that goes and solves the problem. If it doesn't, then what you want to do is on the settings page here is come to the bottom, and we can go and press unpair like so. After you've done that, turn off Bluetooth. Hold down the side power button on your device, or however you need to get to the restart options. Press restart and restart the device. You can then come onto the headphones. These are AirPods in this case, but I'm using this Bluetooth headphones, and we can go and form a reset on these as we can't go and just completely restart them. The method to reset your headphones will be different. So find it out, and then when the device is back on, come back to your settings, come back to Bluetooth and switch it back on. Then you can go and find the device and connect to it again. We'll switch these both on here. Hopefully now it's working. Leave a like if you found this useful.